largest representative voice in the sector dedicated to energy efficiency measures, the IAA End-to-End offer is available to all members and covers a range of tools and services to enhance your business, providing quality, confidence and trust to your customers. All members can obtain guarantees to single or multiple measures in the non-domestic, domestic and new build market. And their able to pay scheme offer those who are self-funding work access to guarantees that ensure they're protected and work is completed to a high standard. Further extending their energy efficiency measures, the IAA have become an MCS scheme provider, covering certification for ground and air source heat pumps, solar thermal, solar PV and battery storage. As a Trustmark scheme provider for all your data lodgement needs, and as one of only 2 organisations with a dispensation to reduce the inherent technical risk of a measure when using an approved system, the IAA can reduce your overall compliance cost whilst ensuring work continues to be delivered to the highest standard. Raising standards and compliance, the IAA provides certification for PAS 2030 across all insulation measures, as well as providing a competent person scheme for CWI and in the near future solid wall insulation, flat roof and MCS. All IAA members have access to their own personal portal where they can download all sorts of materials such as best practice guides, technical notes and homeowner packs. Through the IAACS, their in-house trained retrofit coordinators provide a Trustmark recognised PAS 2035 Retro Coordinator Service Scheme, as well as support with retrofit assessment covering pathway A, B and C. Their ventilation and air tightness testing training can help your business avoid the unnecessary installation of trickle vents and door undercuts where sufficient existing background ventilation is proven. A solution to your background ventilation requirements, the IAACS provide a field-based service including thermography and thermal performance. Recognising the limited number of systems to support the installation of these measures, the IAACS have partnered with Kiwa to provide an agreement approvals process for non-standard systems. There are training courses, including ventilation assessment, level 5 diploma in retrofit coordination and risk management, as well as NVQs in installation measures. All members are automatically granted access to use their independent surveillance of assessment through their own personal portal, and through their own property maintenance teams and call-off contractor framework, they offer a remedial service and enabling works. The Installation Assurance Authority is a technical authority for the installation industry. Backed with over 28 years of experience, you can be confident that the installation work carried out is to the highest standards, subject to a level of rigour and surveillance to ensure it's done right, first time. The IAA is now a recognised international brand. We're delighted to be working with the Installation Academy, TIA in Australia, and together we have launched the Installation Assurance Authority, IAA, an organisation that will mirror the IAA's right first time ethos in leading and representing the industry, as well as working with energy companies, stakeholders, central and local government and consumers in Australia. Start your journey by visiting the IAA website. Click apply, complete the 2-minute form and you can become a member in just 12 working days.